everyone just wants to be loved. That's like a core fact for all humans. We just want to be loved. We just want to be appreciated, seen, heard, and loved. And so when you think of everyone's actions and what they do in their life, the result is because they want to be seen, heard, loved, and acknowledged, right? We want attention, we want affection, we want to feel like we have purpose. And a lot of times, you know, well, all the time we should be doing that within ourselves, but a lot of times our actions are to, you know, have somebody else see us and get validation so that we can receive that love. Okay? And what happens is a lot of times our actions are not very appropriate, and they're based on our upbringings. So I'm thinking of a lot of like temper tantrums or anger outbursts or mood swings or just yelling and, you know, just being cranky. And when a lot of people act out in that way, it's because they're not getting the love and affection that they want. Okay, so it's a program. It's a program usually from our childhood that usually when we were able to get what we want if we threw a temper tantrum, right? Mom and dad just wanted to shut us up, so they gave us the candy. Like, so when we're older and we don't realize that we're still holding that program and we're doing it, and later in life, people kind of look at you like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, and ultimately the person's just trying to get their needs met. They're just trying to find love. They're just trying to find some sort of, you know, attention. Okay, and I'm not saying this is right at all, but I'm saying is we need to look at everyone's actions and see that what they ultimately are trying to do is to be loved, to find love. And the way that we do it sometimes is dysfunctional. And again, it's based on our upbringing, it's based on our experience, it's a learned behavior. And so I'm not saying that we need to like make excuses for these actions, but what I'm saying is to have a better awareness of that every single person on this planet really has one goal, many goals, but all of us as a unified species, our goal is to find love, to be loved. And again, all the ways that we do it can be a variety of different ways, sometimes dysfunctional. Just see it for what it is, and then be able to understand that person a little bit better by their actions. Like, this person's acting out because they want love. Like, just be aware of it. Know that maybe you won't be able to change it, only they can. But it will help you have a better relationship with them when you're more aware of how they're operating.